How to create a Roku account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to set up Roku TV on your device. So watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First thing first, launch a web browser. With the help of the search bar or address bar at top, type in roku.com and press enter on your keyboard. So depending upon your internet connection, it will take a few time to load the official interface of Roku. So wait until it gets loaded. Now click on sign in button at top right once you reach on this section. Here you will get two part sign in and create a free Roku account. So let's click on create account button. Now you are on this section where you simply need to fill out the form that is under your email, first name, last name, password, birthday and gender, and you need to agree to the terms and condition by checking marking this to box. So let's do it. Afterwards, click on continue button. Now you need to choose your PIN settings. Choose whether to require a PIN for purchase or channel additions or skip the PIN entirely and click on continue button. Afterwards, you simply need to set up Roku Pay. So here, you need to add a payment method that is credit or debit card or PayPal. This allows you to subscribe to services, rent movies, or start free trials directly through Roku. And you need to save your details and continue. Once you will do that, you will reach on your account page where you can manage your PIN and payment info, add channels, view purchase history, manage subscriptions and offers, and deactivate your account if needed. So that is how we create a Roku account successfully. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.